Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Outside The Unbox. This is your host with the most, AJ Lavender, and in today's episode I bring to you the Monster LED light strip. Now this is quite a weird unboxing because Monster is really known more for their headphones and their audio and speaker systems. Monster actually being the first partnership with Beats by Dre back in, I want to say, 2007, 2008. So to see them moving on to different pieces of technology is pretty cool. What it seems like in the box is the LED strip and the remote control to program it. So let's go and see the Outside The Unbox and get to it. So this LED strip looks like it comes packed with 3 different settings, which is your daylight cool, soft white, and warm white. It comes with the remote control, as well as it looks like it just plugs in right to the USB ports of your gaming system or TV itself. So let's get into the unboxing with our nifty little standy knife here and see what's inside. Alright, so inside the package here, looks like we have the main LED strip. Is there anything else in here? Nope. That's the side. And then inside this silver metallic packet, we have the main star of the show, which is the LED strip. The USB charging cable, well, not charging cable, but the USB power cable. As well as the IR remote control for it. Is there anything else? Any instructions? And last but not least, it looks like we do have a simple set of instructions to show us how to set up and install the device itself. Perfect, so now everything's unboxed. Let's go check it out, see how easy it is to install. It looks like there's only a couple parts here, so it shouldn't be that difficult. So installing the strip is very simple. So first you want to make sure that your surface that you're applying to is going to be clean. And then the second step is you want to peel off the back of the 3M double-sided tape. You want to make sure that you're not peeling off the adhesive itself, but just the backing of it, as shown here. And then when everything's all completed, all you have to do is attach this USB portion to the mother end and plug the USB into the wall charger or to your computer itself. So let's take a look and see how it all looks when it's all completed. Alright, so let's see it in action now that it's installed. And voila, just like that, the LED strip is installed. Very simple. All you have to do is just strip off the back of that adhesive, attach it to wherever you're going to attach it, and then as well, on the remote here you have all the different settings. So you can do it as a flash, as well as you can flash warm. And then with stationary you have your cool, your daytime, your soft white, as well as your warm light. As well, you can adjust the LED light's brightness just by the remote control here. As well as when it's flashing, you can adjust the speed of the flash too as well. It's actually pretty funny how I came across this product. I was just in my local dollar store, just going around getting a little bit of nicks and knacks for the house, and I came across this in the electronics section, and I had to do almost a double take because it's a Monster product in the dollar store. Now I don't know if any of you guys been in the tech space for long, but back in the day, like 2008, 2009, Monster used to create headphones and audio speakers, and they still do to this day, but they were partnered up with one of the most notable names in the headphone industry in Beats by Dre. And I remember my first product for Beats by Dre was the Studios, and they were around $450 to $500. So to see a Monster product being only listed for $4, yeah, I basically took every single one of them. So for $4, you really couldn't go wrong. The setup is very simple, as you can tell, and it comes with batteries, and it's a pretty adjustable cable for 6'5". So I'll take that any day of the week instead of paying, $35, $40 for a 6-foot cable on Amazon. But yeah guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel so much. As well, if you came across any gems in your dollar store or Dollarama or whatever it may be, like this one here, drop it down in the comment section below and let's see what everybody else comes up with. Lastly, if you haven't joined the OTU family, go ahead by hitting the subscribe button and clicking that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the content. Again, thanks for watching guys. This has been your host AJ Lavender from Outside The Unbox. Smell you later. Bye bye guys.